Our video begins with an aerial view of the picturesque Greek islands, offering glimpses of the Aegean Sea, gleaming white houses, and the breathtaking landscapes. As the view subtly transitions, a voiceover introduces the video. Welcome to our guide on the top 10 must-visit Greek islands. Each island provides a unique experience, rich in history, culture, gorgeous landscapes, and pulsating nightlife. We kickstart our island-hopping journey with the first destination, the epitome of Greek elegance, Santorini. Known across the globe for its captivating sunsets and iconic whitewashed houses perched on the cliffs, Santorini redefines beauty. The island's distinctive landscape owes its existence to a colossal volcanic eruption that occurred around 3,600 years ago. Today, this volcanic history is evident in the form of black sand beaches and the renowned caldera, revealing mesmerizing views of the Aegean Sea. An excursion to Santorini is incomplete without exploring the ancient site of Akrotiri, aptly dubbed as the Greek Pompeii. Next, we explore the largest of the Greek islands, Crete. A place where history meets modernity, Crete is a treasure trove of ancient ruins, vibrant cities, and pristine beaches. The island is the birthplace of Zeus, according to Greek mythology, and the ancient Minoan palace of Knossos stands testament to this legend. From hiking the stunning Samaria Gorge to tasting the local cuisine in the old town of Chania, Crete offers an experience like no other. Third on our list is the island of Rhodes. Often dubbed as the Island of the Knights, Rhodes is renowned for its rich history and well-preserved medieval town. The island boasts a blend of Byzantine, Ottoman, Italian, and Greek architecture, with the Street of the Knights and the Palace of the Grand Master standing out as iconic landmarks. And for the beach lovers, the golden sands of Sambuca Beach await. Fourth, we have Corfu, the greenest of all Greek islands. Corfu is a paradise for nature lovers, with its lush vegetation, olive groves, and cypress trees. The island is also home to a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Old Town of Corfu, known for its Venetian-style architecture and the imposing old fortress. Don't miss the chance to explore the scenic coastal trails and enjoy the local delicacies. Finally, we arrive at Mykonos, the party capital of Greece. Famous for its vibrant nightlife, windmills, and maze-like streets, Mykonos offers a blend of cosmopolitan charm and traditional Greek elements. The island's beautiful beaches, high-end restaurants, and luxury resorts are a magnet for celebrities and partygoers alike. So there you have it, 5 Greek islands, each offering a unique slice of the Mediterranean paradise. Whether you're a history buff, a nature, or a party lover, Greece has an island that caters to your taste. So pack your bags and set sail for your next adventure in the Aegean Sea. And before go, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts about travel destinations around the world.